We're out here in Jean, Nevada. We brought the Herb Smith Fab 6100 truck out, Coleman Motorsports, over here to race the SNORE 250. This is the second race on the truck after Vegas to Reno last year. So we're still shaking it down and just get comfortable with the truck. Figure out any bugs that may arise so we can start hitting some of these races as best as we can.
Last minute preparation, getting ready to head to staging. 250 miles to do today. We'll cruise in the desert. Excited to go.
Split times, they're very far apart. Very, very far apart. We have one, this is the unlimited truck right here. But that was a nice, perfect 1 minute, 10 second pit stop. So truck's looking good, fueled up, ready to finish the race.
I just finished lap 2, heading out on lap 3. Look tires over, tires are awesome. The BFG KR3s are kick-ass in here. They were worried about, there's some shale rock out there they're driving over, but it looked like they haven't even done a complete lap on these tires yet, so we're doing well.
Perfect day. I mean, caught a leaker with our system and changed a couple flats, and not even flat. It was coming down, so we had the time and just cruised all day and had some fun and tried to get some clean air when we could. And the truck was great. It's exactly what I wanted this weekend, just fun. So now we're gonna go to Vegas and do some Top Golf. So let's go.
The first is Jason Coleman.
Thank you to SNORE. You guys, like everyone else said, you guys are the best. I really appreciate everybody that volunteers. Anytime I get back to SNORE, I love getting here. Thank you very much. Everybody, great race. See you next week.
We just won SNORE 250 and we're gonna go Top Golf. And this is the car we have to take us.
Get on in, German.
Yes,
What's up, guys? How we doing?
This is some bullets. Let me see that camera.
Take it.
I'd be so bad.